Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to keep building this small task project, and apologize about lack of video coming out last week because I'm really busy, haven't really have a lot of time to record video, but there we go. We're back. I will try to fulfill the Monday, Wednesday, Friday video uploading schedule. But anyway, let's continue with a small task project. So this is where we left off. We can post a job, can also complete a job. And in here today, so let's go implement the job view page, and we can also implement the proof page where they can submit their proof. Alright, so now in here, let's add a href. So now inside j.title, we can just say /task / j.id. That's just going to be integer, but that will work for now. Alright. Okay. Alright, and let's go and create a new HTML file called task.html. In here, it's going to basically all the tasks as we want. Task. The variable that we passed in is called task. So in here we can just say task.title, and let's try to refresh here. Okay, click on the link. Okay, haven't got defined yet. Let's take a look at the url.py. Right. So here you can say pass task / int task _id view stop task. There we go. Now we can go and refresh. Alright, yeah, forgot to put request. It's part of the render here. There we go. Alright, now I can go refresh the page. Alright, task use Google. Okay, so and now in here you can put div and another let's do h3. You can say description. Task.description. And we're going to say it's safe. Alright, go to google.com and search for Google, take a screenshot, upload, and put the URL into the proof box, basically. So in here, what we can do is we can say, and then there we go. Okay, so now I can draw a horizontal line. So in here, we'll say proof. Please make sure only submit relevant information. Don't submit anything else in order not get marked spam by employers. Alright. So now in here we can go ahead and put a text area in. Name is proof. Alright. Okay, so we get that set up. Alright, so now what I want to do is I also want to have a drag and drop upload. So basically they can upload a file, gonna save it to, who knows, yeah, we're gonna save it to AWS S3. And yeah. So basically, let's take a look how we're gonna do that then. Alright. So basically how it's gonna work is they're going to type it there. For example, if they type 1, drag it to here, and they are going to have gonna attach the S3 link automatically. Put it here. All right. So let's be sure to have a submit button. All right. So now we can go ahead and have a div, and inside of div we can just say if you want to upload a file, drag and drop here. Div of, let's say, style, border is 3 pixel, solid black. Width is 100 pixel, height is also 100 pixel. Alright, let's run it. See what we got. Look at this. Alright, let's make width a little bit bigger. Let's do 300. Alright. Okay, so now I think I will go back to one of my previous projects that I built. So basically, this project I used was S3 and I have a drag and drop features. So if I still remember, it should be here. Templates. Upload. Okay, so right here it is. Okay, so let's see. Alright, just gonna define a drop zone ID here. Gonna get the elements, and let's take a look. Okay. Alright, we can ignore that. That's not. So get rid of this, get rid of that. Indent. Alright. So basically, let's see how we're gonna do this. We are gonna have another just called file upload backend. And in here we're going to say from django.contrib.os.decorator imports django.contrib. Okay, I cannot find CSRF exempt. So we gotta go to PayPal. Let's go to views. Gonna import, yes. Alright, put it there. There we go. Alright, so now in here we're gonna set CSRF exempt for now. Now protect exempt, which is actually the opposite. Okay, so in here we'll do the S3 upload in a bit. But let's take a look. Body, form, pass, message. Okay. So we need this traverse. So how would this project was a project that can, so just this drag and drop was what I found on a CodePen, and then modified it so it's basically available for like a drag and drop upload, including folders. But we don't really need to worry about folders in this case, so there's not really an else of what happened here. Okay. So now I'm gonna get rid of all of that. Alright, and then let's go ahead and create a new div. Let's call it files. Oh, sorry, it's ID instead. Okay, on drag over. Looks good, looks good. Traverse through. Alright. Okay, let's refresh. Alright. I'm gonna keep this tab open because I'm gonna need it later. And let's just conduct a search. Just search for Google. Alright, and then since that's what the requirement says anyway. Alright. Alright. Let's go out, give it a second to fully load it. And then what we can do is we can take a screenshot and we're going to upload it. Alright. Look how many results get founded. I mean, I'm assuming Google knows Google better, the best. I don't really want to go. There's some files I want really to find out. I mean, not just some files. It's a little bit confidential, but screenshot. What's today's date? 26. I don't know. 42. Yeah, should be this one. Yep. Okay. Nice. So let's go back to post job. Let's open up developer console because I expect it's gonna give us some error. See, it's already give us an error. That's good. Denies built-in as component. Gee, I don't even know what is that. Oh, that's probably one of my Chrome extension. Installed quite a bit of Chrome extension. Okay, looks good. Looks good, looks good. Now, what's gonna happen is we're going to upload it. So what I will do is I will go to the same project. So this thing, and then actually I will go to AWS too. So we're going to create a new bucket for this project. While that's loading, we're going to go to views.py because it's have upload s3 function. Upload s3, that's that. We can copy it. And what we can do is we can go here, paste it here. Right, there's quite a few things we need to fix. Alright, S3. Let me do that really quick. And then here we also need to do import Balto3. So let's do a pip3 install Balto3 first then. Give it a second while it's loading forever. Right, anything wrong with Pip today? Or it's gonna take more time? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna say that. 3 Portal S. Alright, gonna have to wait to load then. Okay, while we wait that for load, let's go to AWS. Gonna create a new bucket. So far so good. Nothing really going wrong that much. So pretty good. My account. So open up AWS, please, 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 please. We so appreciate if you can open up. Open up, open up, open up. Probably should get my computer cleaned up. I'm not sure why it's loading that much. That long time. Why does it still not doing anything? It's taking so long. Probably I should get this installed. I'm not sure it's taking so long today. Alright. Did it? Okay. Well, it's installing Baldur's 3 here, so that's good. Alright. Sign in really quick. Suppose. Alright. Yep. Okay. Oof. Okay. Let's take a look. I cannot even recognize it. NPHFM, right? It's gonna be really awkward if I cannot actually do this. There you go. That's my super long password that I don't really even quite remember. There are just so many requirements I need to hit and I give up. I'll make a new password. Just generate random string instead. Alright, finally get loaded. Let's go to, actually no, you know what, whatever. Anyone works. Gonna create a new bug and create a new user. Okay. So let's go ahead and, yeah, create a new user first. I will most likely bleep this out. If I don't bleep this out, I will be sure to make sure to delete these keys just for my own sake. So, because I don't want my credit to get overwhelmed. Come on, load, please. Thank you. I have 10 users already. Let's make another one. Add user. Alright, I'm gonna call this small tasker. Programmatic access, sure. Next, attach exist was S3 full access. Next, create. There we go. All right, now we'll export it. As access key, copy that, paste it right there. Export. Secret access key ID. That's that. Copy, paste right there. There we go. Job done. Now let's go back to S3. Alright, so now I'm going to create a new bucket and we're going to call it small tasker. We're going to upload the file. Alright, so while it's doing that, I'm going to say import passlib. The helper stop I created here? No? Alright. Well, we don't have to make a new function here. I'll just say import string. No, it's retransfer import string. Import random. Random dot choice string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits. All right, and then what are we going to do is we're going to say for I in range of 10. That's unique enough. Looks like if that is not none. That's all we're gonna do here. Now return is actually pretty important. We're gonna return a full link. But anyhow, let's create a new bucket first. I really want to get this done. So basically how is this gonna work? It's drag and drop. Just like how GitHub works, if you drag and drop like an image to like a GitHub issue, for example, it's gonna automatically put the link in the text box. That's what I want to do too. Oh wait, do I already have a small tasker created actually? Because I might already have one created. Yep, small tasker. Alright, good. That's real good. Save my some time. I think that's when I try to see if I can solve it by myself. Alright, that's a view, so don't need to worry about that. Now let's take a look at task. Okay. Alright. So now in here we can say, oh shoot, how do I do that fetch? Fetch will say slash API slash upload. Here we'll say method. Let's just say method first of all is post data body. It's gonna be form data. Alright. Now we're going to get a response back, so we say dot then response will be response dot JSON dot then data will be console.log. As long as this works, we're not gonna really as long as we can get a link back successfully, we'll call that for a day. Alright. What do we call it? File. We don't want a pass here. We don't really need a pass. whatever. All right. Okay. So let's actually one more thing that I want to figure out how to do. Well, s3 dot dash us dash. Wait, am I US West? I don't even remember about it anymore. Access point. Let's take a look. I need to copy the link. All right, let's try HTTPS s3 dash. It's okay. Let's just try upload a file first and see how it would work. Let's refresh. All right, it's not running anymore, so let's run the file again. All right, now I can refresh. So I ever hear like a weird sound because that's my fans working. Because it's pretty hot in my room, and I saw it for my computer too. So just to cool it off, so it can go a little bit faster. All right. Oh, right, we didn't implement that URLs yet. Okay. What do I say? API/upload. Please make sure only submit relevant information. Don't submit anything else in order to not get marked as spam by employers. Yeah. All right. Good. Now let's drag this file in and see if we're gonna see anything back. All right. Unfortunately, we didn't see anything back because it says stir has no attribute get. Oh. Wait. I forgot to do this. I'm so stupid. There we go. Let's try to rerun it. Alright. It's almost like 30 minutes straight. Make sure, hopefully this can work soon. I don't have to delay for too long, because I want to keep it short. Alright. Go drag it. No. It's just a star attribute has no stars no attribute get. Alright, let's take a look. The response. Oh, right. We need to import JSON response. JSON response. I did import twice. All right. And here we can just say URL, and that's it. All right. So, let's try refresh for one final time. And I think it's actually a little bit more convenient too, so that they don't really have to find another external file uploader. They can just upload it here, and we're gonna automatically build them. Nice. All right, have that uploaded. Now we just need to figure out what the prefix is, and we'll commit it. Commit the changes. Let's take a look. Almost there. Let's see. Nope. Let's go objects. Almost there. Let's give a countdown of a 5 second. Hopefully it will load. Oh no, that's actually the font, and that's horrific. Alright. I love how that's actually can be a file name. Okay, so if we take a look, that's the URL. Click on it, hopefully we can download it. So one more thing I want to do is rather than just let them download it, they should be able to view the file. So what I want you to do is probably rather than give this link to them, I want now whatever, we'll route it later, I guess. We're running out of time here anyway. Alright, and there we go. Once we upload it again, we'll see the new file with this new added prefix link there. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a great day. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Thank you for all of your support. If you haven't liked the video yet, please do so. That's also support my channel too. But yeah, thank you for coming. Stay safe and great. Have a great rest of your day. DevWithMe out.